Hello everyone and welcome back to the Java mini course. In this lesson we're going to take a look at a brief introduction to Java, so let's go ahead and get started. Java is a versatile and powerful programming language, ideal for building various applications. It's high-level, object-oriented, and platform-independent. Key features include simplicity, robustness, security, and scalability, making it a popular choice for developers. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language known for its cross-platform capability. Key features include simplicity, object orientation, platform independence, robustness, security, and scalability. These attributes make Java ideal for beginners and enterprise-level applications. Java is simple, object-oriented, platform-independent, robust, secure, and scalable. Its syntax is easy to understand, making it ideal for beginners. Java promotes modularity and maintainable code, ensures compatibility across platforms, minimizes errors, and manages memory, and includes built-in security features. It's widely used in enterprise-level applications for handling large-scale systems. Java is highly versatile, used in various applications from Android mobile apps to large-scale enterprise systems. Learning Java enables you to work on diverse projects and platforms. Java boasts a strong community and ecosystem. It has vast communities of developers, numerous libraries and frameworks, and this ecosystem ensures ample tools and support for your development processes. Proficiency in Java opens doors to numerous career opportunities. Roles include Java developer, Android developer, enterprise application developer, software engineer, and back-end developer. Each role specializes in different aspects of application development and maintenance using Java. Java developers are in high demand due to Java's widespread use in enterprise environments. This demand leads to competitive salaries and strong job security. Various industries, including finance, healthcare, and technology, rely on Java to power their critical applications. Learning Java provides a solid foundation for understanding other programming languages. Concepts like object-oriented programming in Java are applicable across various languages, making it easier to learn and transition to new technologies in the future. In this course, you'll learn Java programming fundamentals. Hands-on labs will reinforce these concepts. In summary, Java is a versatile and powerful language offering numerous career opportunities. This course provides a strong foundation for software development suitable for both beginners and experienced programmers. By the end, you'll understand Java's core concepts and be ready for advanced topics and projects. This is just the beginning of your journey towards becoming a proficient Java developer. Well, that's it for this lesson. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.